Alam niyo ba kung bakit maraming empleyado kahit ilang beses nang sinasabihan, hindi pa rin nagper-perform? Simple lang. Kasi pinagsasabihan lang pero hindi kinuko.
Aray ko!
Coaching is not about correcting people. It's about connecting, guiding, and growing them. Kaya kung gusto niyong maglabas ng RESULT, ito ang proseso ko mismo. Tried, tested, and proven effective. By the way, I'm Mentor Myron Santa Ana, your strategy guy. I've helped a lot of company supervisors and managers improve their leadership by learning how to coach their employees to success. Through my RESULTS coaching framework, natutulungan ko silang gawing self-driven, consistent, at committed performers ang mga staff nila.
Nice.
And today, gusto kong i-share sa'yo kung paano rin magagawa yan sa team mo. Step 1, R for relate. Dito pa lang, you set the tone. Dapat comfortable ang coachee. Kumustahin mo muna. Kumusta ka? How's your work? Nakaka-adjust pa ba? Magbiro ka ng kaunti. Pero syempre, professional pa rin. Ang goal, tanggalin ang tension. Buksan ang connection. Example, uy, mukhang hindi ka pa nakakakape ah. Pero seryoso, gusto ko lang kamustahin ka. Kumustahin ka? Yes, kumusta ka lately? Step 2, E for express. Dito mo ipapaliwanag kung bakit may coaching session. Start by asking, may idea ka ba kung bakit tayo nagkakausap today? Pagkatapos, i-share mo both the perceived and observed data. Friendly ha, pero firm. Example, tapusin ko lang, lately medyo nagiging delayed ang reports mo. Naobserbahan din sa tracker natin, so gusto ko lang tulungan ka maibalik ang consistency mo. Step 3, S for self-realization. Dito natin gustong mapa-reflect ang coachee. Tanungin mo, sa tingin mo, ano ang dahilan? Pakinggan mo ha.
Listen up!
Take down notes. Example, kung i-assess mo sarili mo, ano sa tingin mo ang lakas mo at saan ka hirap? Tapos, gamitin mo ang sandwich method. Good feedback, improvement, then good reinforcement. Step 4, U for understand. Ito ang root cause analysis part. Example, so sabi mo workload ang problema. Tingnan natin kung time management issue ba o prioritization. Dito lumalabas ang tunay na ugat ng problema. Step 5, L for lay down plans. Collaborate. Tanungin mo muna, ano sa tingin mo ang pwede mong gawin to improve? Pakinggan mo, tapos i-guide mo lang, hindi mo dapat diktahan. Step 6, T for tell, show, perform, review. Dito ka magtuturo. Example, ganito ang ideal format ng report ha. Makinig ka sa akin ha. Panoorin mo ako. Tapos try mo naman gawin. Then, review and reward progress. Last step, S for state expectations and support. Wrap it up with encouragement. Example, ang goal natin, consistent ka na moving forward. Don't worry, tutulungan kita all the way. So, kung gusto mong matutunan kung paano mag-coach para maglabas ng real RU or RESULTS or results, follow yours truly from our practical leadership and people development tips.
Follow top Filipino corporate trainer, speaker, consultant, facilitator, and coach, Mentor Myron for more.